All right, so since this car is getting a big LS turbo in the front, I might as well put a parachute in the back. We got to get this thing to stop. So pretty self-explanatory. What kind of kit is this, Alex?
It's lse90x.com.
lse90x.com. They sell this pre-made kit. How much is it?
I don't know. I think it was like 300.
Like $300 for some pipe. I'm guessing it's just gonna bolt right onto the crash bar in the back, and yeah, and this guy's gonna go and just pin on to here. Should be super easy, and then we'll drill a hole in the bumper, and yeah, and go from there. See exactly how it goes. So it's gonna look sick. He already has a parachute and everything. He has all the pulleys and the mounts and everything, the wire. He has a huge parachute. Damn, is this a double or single?
It's single, but it's for a really heavy cars, kind of.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, it'll stop, I guess, so
Yeah.
make it work. Let's give it a try. Well, I filmed a time lapse getting the bumper off, but I don't know what happened. Messed up. But we got the bumper off. I'll take the lights off, whatever. No big deal. They're all pretty much on clips. 4 or 5 bolts and everything else is on clips. And then, yeah, I'll throw. Looks like we're just gonna have to take these nuts off here, slide that puppy on, and bolt it on nice and tight. And oh man, already looking good. I threw it on there. Boom, parachute's gonna hang onto here. It's gonna bolt on, of course, clip onto here. And yeah, install that. Kind of measured off the floor and everything, get the height, get the side, and then mark it out. Drill it. Don't have the right drill bit, but we'll make it work. And yeah.
What?
So I took this aluminum plate out of the parachute bag. I'm gonna place it on here. I trace on the back with the Sharpie, and then drill out the holes and install the hardware to get this going. So yeah, pretty self-explanatory. Get that drilled out, and then put it back into the bag, and then just poke little holes with a knife or like a nail or something, and then bolt it all the way in. So yeah. All right, guys, and that's it. Really fits up really nice. Got this bolt all tightened up for the safety, or for the parachute actually. We unpacked it, repacked it. It's a kind of a pain to pack up, but it's all right. Has a big spring in it, shoots out. Yeah, we drilled the hole on the bumper, turned out well. Everything turned out well. And yeah, other than that, pretty simple install, just those 6 bolts. A bolt going through to attach this guy. And then, yeah, super solid. Can't wait to get this thing on the road. Parachute looks dope. It's gonna stop the car. You got a huge parachute, but it's all right. Yeah. Next is the tensioner. Get the belt on and get some wiring done. Get the fuel system finished, and then we can start it. And then we could get the radiator in here, and then fans, and then start doing all the turbo piping. Hopefully next week, start looking much better. A little update. Yeah.